All right, we are back on glass, and we just ran our mmap scan, and we saw that port 80 was up. We went over to port 80, saw that HFS file server 2.3 was up, which is bad. If we search for HFS, we should be able to find this one like right here, and that should work just fine. Let's go ahead. We'll use this one first, then we'll hop over and we'll try to use the Python one up here. So we'll try to do it both ways. Show options, set our L host to ourselves, set our R host to whatever the hell that guy's IP address is. Our port was on port 80. Let's go ahead and run that. Let's see what we get. Port 69 is TFTP. You can remember it by the little ditty of tongue fuck this, and you'll understand afterwards what that P is for. But that's a way to remember port 69. There you go. Because Network Plus and Sec Plus love to throw port 69 out there and try to confuse you with like FTP, SFTP, and stuff like that. It's TFTP. Tongue fuck this. Bam. Alright. We're being recorded like right now, so I can't go too hardcore. My 8-year-old stepdaughter watches this one day. Ryan! You know. Or if my 19-year-old daughter watches. Dad! Alright, still staying stage. Stop it and see if it actually worked. Sometimes I've seen that happen before. And it did work. And we are in unattended. We are using a pink. I've seen that happen before with, I think it's mostly with that one. But it gets like stuck. And then you just stop it. Session attack I. And then all of a sudden you're like that. Alright, so we're in as pink, it looks like. Let's try now do it with the Python file. Let's go into a search exploit. Attack M on 39161. .py. I think that HFS isn't that also on Metasploit, I believe? The VNC is also on Metasploit too. Metasploitable 2. Let's go ahead and do a cat 39161. See if we need to put anything actually in here. What we actually kind of arguments we actually need to send at it. We got target IP, target port. I mean, I could run that. That's an easy day. Python, whatever the hell. Target IP is this like right here. Target port's gonna be port 80. Let me go ahead and say thank you to everybody. Hey, thanks a lot, Deb Renko, for the file. Thanks a lot, Blaine the Firepaw, for the file. Yellen6. I don't think I got you. Thank you very much for the file. Let's go ahead and throw that guy into there. Target port of 80. And let's see if we get a call back there. May need to be using a web server hosting Netcat. Okay, will do. Yes, sir. Sorry. Maybe I should read the whole thing. CD into tools. And let's do a Python 3 attack MHP server 80. And that is hosting Netcat in there. It has Netcat in there. So let's try that. I feel like it needs to know who to call back to. Yeah, okay. Right there. So we need to tell it who to call back to if we're going to be hosting a web server. Come down here. 10.10.0.16, right? I believe is my thing. And it's on port 80. I'm going to save that now. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. Alright, so we got it. Okay. And I take it I'm supposed to be actually have something else open up. And I'm supposed to actually have this guy call back to me, huh? Probably. Plus local port. Yeah, he's actually trying to execute VBS3. So he's executing Netcat. Right? But I obviously can't have Netcat running on port 80. Let's try this. Okay, he called back. Netcat didn't get it, but he did call back to us, so that's good. So he is getting back to us. Doesn't look like netcat actually got it. Did I actually put in 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 3. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Of course. Just the first try. First try. Getting net cap. It doesn't seem like he wants to come back to me at all, huh? 1010-016. I believe that. I'm pretty sure that's my IP address, like right there. I'm about 100% sure it says 1010-016, like right there. But yeah, 1010-016. Okay. Port. We have it right now. Port 1234. Right? I saved it about 2 million times. 1010-016, 1234. It's calling back. It's grabbing that netcat file that's supposed to call back to the local port 1234, utilizing netcat exe under command prompt. He doesn't seem to want to make that call back. That's okay. All right. We got it like this. Let's go and get UID again. We're pink. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a shell. Then we'll do PowerShell. Then we'll do a who am I / priv. If PowerShell decides to open. It's grabbing the file, so it's getting over to there. From there, according to this guy, he's supposed to run it. Because it says like right here, it's going to try to run netcat.exe, command.exe to the IP address plus the local port. Right? So it's saying that it's supposed to run it. Those are both spelled correctly, or else we'd be getting like a something. You can't do that. Let's try something like this. Even though it's a Python, it's probably going to yell at me. Yeah, that's what I figured. And we got it to the target IP and everything like that, right? So we got it everywhere. We're hosting a netcat file on port 80. May need to run it multiple times for success. I feel like we've ran it a couple times now. It might just be not allowed to run from that place, from that public, C users public. We know we have pink on here, so we could always do a C users pink. C users, yeah, we can just do pink because he should be able to do whatever he wants in there, right? We want pink in here also because we want it to download a pink, right? Now, the other way we'd actually know that is by using the other one. C users pink. We can try something like that. We'll try to save this. I don't know if that's actually going to work or not. Probably just going to get yelled at. I mean, download it again. That was pretty good. But that's okay. Let's just, we'll keep going down here. Who am I / priv. So we don't really have any privileges here. Let's go ahead and throw power up at it and see if we have anything with power up. So let's do a IEX, IWR, use basic parsing. HTTP 1010-016 / power up.ps1. Go and throw that guy in there. We'll see if we get anything with that. Alright. Yeah, I was noticing that too, the 301s and 200s over there. Okay, let's go ahead and from here, let's do a invoke all checks. And we'll look for any more up here that we can find. And we do have something in the unattended path there. And we do have an administrator's password. So we got the value like right there. Let's go ahead and evil winrm. Attack I. And let's do an IP config out here. I forgot his IP address. 172.31.1.24. Attack U. We'll say administrator. Attack P. We'll throw in that password like right there. And let's see if that works. I don't know if winrm's open on this box. It is. Okay, cool. So we are administrator, cd /doc/desktop, dir, and we will go ahead and we'll grab that system.txt. And we also want to cd into desktop over here and grab Let's go ahead and type out that access.txt. Let's freaking go! Alright, so we got both of those. I want to kind of keep messing with that guy to not use Metasploit on him. Where were we? Hijacked? Or unattended? Excuse me. Let's freaking go. Alright, cool. So what have we learned so far? Throw power up at it. Right? Alright, let's I accidentally started back up again. Let's keep wait. I want to start it back up again. Yep, okay, yeah, I'll wait 30 seconds, sorry. Okay. I want it to stay started. Alright, let's try to let's go ahead and search exploit attack M. And that was HFS again, right? Oh, search exploit HFS. We got these two like right here. We got the text file and we have the Python file. Let's go ahead and look at the text file like real quick. Let's go into a search exploit attack M for that guy like right there. And we'll go ahead and we'll cat that guy. Okay. Issue exists due to poor rejects in the file parser lib pass. Function find macro marker string. It will not handle null byte, so request to 80 search. Will stop the read from parse macro. The macro will be executed. Remote code injection happen. This bar will run the payload multiple times simultaneously. Make sure to take this into consideration crafting your payload and/or listener. Okay. Let's go ahead and look up HFS hack tricks. It's like Rojito, right, or whatever. Let's go ahead and look this up. I think I actually had that. Rojito HFS.py. Maybe not. Alright, so we'll go ahead and grab that guy. I feel like I've used this one before, though. Kind of want to try this, a different way. Let's go ahead. Is this the same exact thing, first off? Yeah, this is the same exact thing, isn't it? That we've already had. Okay, that's the one that we already had. We'll just try one more. We'll see what happens here. Oh, this one's got pretty, this one's like, hey, we got banner. This one's got a pretty banner. Oh, what's up? Got my fingers crossed. Might have a new job lined up soon. Going on my second interview with them next week. Nice, man. Nice. Good luck. Good luck. Somebody else, a couple weeks ago, they might actually be listening like right now, just got a job. It was just a couple weeks ago, too. It was freaking awesome. Good luck, man. If you're on your second interview, dude, that's let's go. Let's freaking go. Don't yell "let's go" in the interview room. They're not gonna like that. Okay, so L host L port, R host R port, and then what? Like command? Is that like HID? Is that what they mean by that? Let's see, I think he had a little thing up here, up top, like how to use it. Tech HID. I wonder if I actually need that. HID SID is the cookie used for the HFS server. You can get yours with Firefox plugin, cookie editor. We don't have a cookie. Do we? I think we just kind of just opened it. We do. Okay. Let's go. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's try this like right here. So we're going to do a Python, right? Is it Python 3 or Python? What do we got here? We'll never know. Looks like Python 3 because you say PS3 or P3. So Python 3 HFS, right? And we're going to do a attack LH for lhost, which is going to be the 172.31.1.24. the L port, which is going to be 80. Attack. Or no, L host should be myself. What the hell am I doing? L host is going to be 10, 10, 0, 16. L port is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. R host is going to be 172.31.1.24. R port is going to be 80. And then we're going to do a attack hid of that. Unable to connect. 172.31.124. That's what it is, right? Not losing my mind here. 172.31.124. 124. Okay. What if we need to do something like this? Unable to connect, huh? I wonder if my cookie changed. My cookie value changed. Since we did restart, shut the machine off, turn it back on. That's 100% unable to connect. Those are facts. What if it just hasn't started up yet? Because it did take a minute to start up last time, didn't it? Alright, it did take a minute to start up last time. We can go ahead and reset it, maybe? Let's go ahead and reset it. And we'll try that one like right there. See if we get in without Metasploit. And then after this guy right here, I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break probably. And then we'll continue on with some other stuff. Even though that guy didn't take very long. It's taking us longer to reset him, I think. Let's go ahead and we'll ping this guy. Let's go ahead and ping 172.31.124. We'll just wait for that to start coming back. Alright, we're pinging them. Let's go ahead and mmap attack P80. See if that's up and running. Nothing yet. So we'll give them a minute to get up and running. And we'll go from there. Oh, you will work. Yeah, I don't think that guy's got up and running yet, huh? Alright, let's give him a minute, get him up and running, and we'll go from there. Oof, man. Alright. I think we broke him. I mean, we did just reset him, right? Oh, that one's taking longer. All right, that one looked like it got a callback at that time. Let's go ahead and do this. All right. Our cookies, they look the same, but just in case, we'll go ahead and we'll switch those out. And let's see if we can get this guy to work. Does not seem to make a callback to me, does he? Oh, let's freaking go! There we go. So we can get it like that. We're in PowerShell. Let's go. Awesome. All right, cool. And it works, obviously. All right. So there's another way to be able to do it without Metasploit. Let's go. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get this other guy started up. We'll stop him. Thank you very much, Unattended. And we'll start up monitor. I feel like this is going to be something to do with... Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, Cybersec Labs. I'm sorry. I feel like monitor might be something to do with like a one of those website monitoring tools. Those those ping tools or whatever else, So we are on monitor. I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break. Actually, let me see. What's our uptime so far? Let's see that first. Yep, it's been over an hour. You know how I feel about that. We got to take a break every 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, people stop paying attention. So let me stop recording first.